Bulldozer Dreams. Bulldozer Dreams by Sharon Chriscoe, illustrated by John Joven. The clearing is done, the sun disappears. A bulldozer stops, he shifts down his gears. He surveys his site, no hills, bumps, or trees. He's leveled the mounds of dirt with great ease. He looks to his left, and then to his right. It's time to go home. He's done for the night. He lifts up his blade, his spotlights flash on. He rolls through the gate and lets out a yawn. He heads to the wash. He stretches his track. He scrubs and he cleans every crevice and crack. He wiggles and shakes. He exits the bay. All polished and shined, his tummy gives way to rumbles and growls. It's time for a fill. He punches his clutch and climbs up the hill. He pulls in the station, sipping each slurp. His belly pan swells, and up comes a burp. He nuzzles his cone. He nestles in tight. He chooses a book to read for the night. A push and a shove to smooth out the land. He burrows his tracks down deep in the sand. The heat from the day is cooled by the night. He closes his cab and turns off his light. The little stars dance down low in the sky. The moon casts its light as shadows pass by. His axles relax. His cylinders steam. His engine purrs softly. He drifts to a dream. He lowers his blade. He turns on his track. A puff of black smoke comes out of his stack. He revs up his motor, pushing through rocks. He scoops them up high and stacks them like blocks. He makes one last pass. He toots on his horn. The children arrive. The playground is born. They swing and they slide. They race and have fun. Loud cheers fill his dream. His work here is done. The